Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have seen the introduction of MS PowerPoint 2007, and today we'll see the screen elements. When we open PowerPoint program, so this type of screen comes on computer. So let's see what are the screen elements of PowerPoint program. First is title bar. It is located on the top of the screen. Title bar shows the name of the presentation on which you are currently working. It also contains minimize, maximize and close buttons. The topmost bar of the screen is called title bar. It shows the name of presentation or program in which we are currently working. It also contains three buttons on the right side: minimize, maximize and close buttons that we use when we working on presentation. Quick access toolbar. It is located on the title bar. It helps to do common tasks with just one click. On the right side of the title bar we see quick access toolbar, and it has some common used options like save button, undo, redo commands. So we can use this command just in one click. Ribbon. There are two parts of ribbon, tabs and groups. Each tab contains commands arranged in different groups. Below the title bar, the ribbon area is there, in which we see tabs and groups. In each tab, there are many groups, and in each group there are many options that we use when we make presentation. Next, Office button. This comprises different menus to work in MS PowerPoint 2007. In the top left corner of the screen, we see Office button, and it has different menus to work in PowerPoint. Status bar. This displays the current slide number, total number of slides and view buttons. In the bottom of the screen we see a bar that is called status bar that gives the status of the presentation, like how many slides in a presentation and the current slide number, like this. Rulers. Rulers are vertical and horizontal guides. They are used to determine where you want to place an object. Rulers are used to set margins in the page or slide, and it is used to determine where you want to place an object in a slide. Placeholder. It holds the object in your slide. A placeholder is used to hold text, picture, charts, etc. A placeholder is like a box in which we place text, pictures, charts, etc. Slide. A slide represents a page in a slideshow. A page is called the slide in a PowerPoint. How to create a new presentation? We can create a new presentation in a variety of ways in MS PowerPoint 2007 that are as follows. First, blank and recent. Second, installed templates. Third, installed themes. Fourth, my templates. And fifth, new from existing. So we see first option, blank and recent. Creating a blank presentation. The following are the steps to create a blank presentation. Step 1, click the Office button. Step 2, click the new option from the drop down list. Step 3, click blank and recent presentation option from the left pane. Step 4, click the blank presentation option. Step 5, click create button. A new presentation with a blank slide opens up on the screen as shown. So in this way we can create a blank presentation, and after we can write our content in the slide.